Welcome to Ghana TV. Yes, and today I have a news for you. Yes, I have a message, a strong message for you, bro. If you buy food for outside, for roadside, for roadside, I want Auntie Menu Banku, Auntie Masa, Wachi, Auntie Kone, beans near there, bro. If you buy such food, be very careful. Do your background check very well, right? Do your checks before you consume this kind of food. So if you be lady out there, if you be guy out there, make it a point to try cook for yourself. Try do something. Eat from your pot, bro. So in this video, there is this woman transporting and nama I say if you go store I go to go. Disposing from the cold store. This woman go take the chicken, say, oh, meant to, oh, Charlie, you don't know the plan, you don't know the thing. These are the things we do. We buy them low cost and go sell them to the people, make we to we get money. You understand? So these are the things we go on, right? So this woman, she go buy the chicken. The spot I say I go through, like as you see for the screen top, I say I go through a small amount of like the money you take by itself in the ball. The end result they say she go sell to the people. You understand? So this thing happened around Kumasi, around Adam Kwame lorry station in Bro. I don't really know Kumasi, so if I pronounce the name wrong, Charlie, forgive me, right? So yes, this woman go buy these things, they go sell to people. Why are some people so wicked like this? Into the old the team is she don't go chop some. Oh, did that? Oh, yeah, they don't on money back. This is the back on money boost in Libya. Strictly for the people out there. Why could you be such wicked? Or bad time? We lady we should anymore like she's a Muslim. God. A religious person like you, why would you do such thing? Bro, if you buy stuff like that for outside, yeah, mommy will buy good, yeah, be nice, then I'm there for. You see, boys, they like cheap things. Cheap things too comes with a cost, bro. Cheap things, they come with a huge cost. So, Charlie, yeah, alert, cause if this is what is, we have like thousands of this woman in Ghana, thousands. I don't know about the who say, yeah, Auntie Abiba, yes or no, Tom Nama say and things. But what about the people that we don't know, the other women that we don't know? You better more than Charlie. Be God way they help you. We are God way they help, because the kind of things we eat for outside, say bro, we are with them. You understand? So, Charlie, if you buy things for outside, just check. So once again, the name is Ghana, aka Young, aka all the AKs, of course, you can think of.